see, in Kisumu when we speak of the world, not just on Nyanza. We are here to announce to soccer lovers across the world that Kisumu is hosting this year's Council for East and Central Africa Football Association, Cecafa, Under 18 Boys Championships, which starts tomorrow, November 25th, and ends on December 8th. I'm particularly happy that we are starting with boys under 18, because we want to nurture them. There are a lot of boys under 18 who want to show their skills, and if they play here in Kisumu in this Cecafa game, that could be a good foundation for recruiting an international star in the football space from Kenya. This is exciting news and a great honor to the city of Kisumu, which is no doubt the headquarters of football in the region, having produced many local and international football stars. This is the first international tournament being held in Kisumu in many years. I would like to sincerely thank the Sports Cabinet Secretary, Babu Namwamba, as I said before, the Cecafa Governing Council and the Football Kenya Federation for choosing Kisumu to host this great tournament. We shall be co-hosts with Kakamega County, and that's why I mentioned my friend Fernandez Baraza. We are going to be co-hosting this Cecafa game. This honor to host the Cecafa Under 18 tournament comes at a time when we are also angling to be one of the hosts of the Africa Champions AFCON next year. And that is what we were battling about a couple of weeks ago. But I think in preparation for that, Cecafa is coming here so that we begin warming up. We should take this opportunity to welcome to Kisumu all the teams participating in this tournament and their officials. The tournament kicks off tomorrow at the Jomo Kenyatta International Stadium from midday, and I want to confirm that the facility is ready for these games. Mr. Namwamba and I will be there to watch the opening matches between Somalia and Rwanda and Kenya versus Sudan. I also wish to assure all guests that Kisumu is safe and their security is guaranteed. I appeal to the people of Kisumu to accord a friendly welcome, as usual, to all the visitors and turn up in large numbers to watch the matches and cheer our national team. Many of the teams have arrived and more are expected today. Karibuni nyinyi nyote Kisumu, and may the best team win. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Na Mbitika cia National Super League ni ati Mbitika cia